In this experiment, we'll use the setup shown to investigate the relation between the current flowing through a conductor and the voltage across it. The setup consists of a Eureka wire connected to a battery via a rheostat and an ammeter. The ammeter measures the current flowing through the wire. The voltage across the wire is measured by a voltmeter. Start with a small current. Adjust the rheostat to increase the current flowing through the wire. Record pairs of voltmeter and ammeter readings. Then plot a graph of voltage against current. Find out the relation between the two quantities.